Hi, how are you? Thank you for tuning in. This is my third video. Okay, today I'm doing another candle centerpiece, and it's great if you're throwing a cookout or a party in your yard, a tropical theme, or for your bedroom. If you're into bright colors, I have just the right candle holder. It's cheerful and it just screams out loud with colors. Okay, so here we go. You need a plate stand for your candle. You can use a house plate, any plate. I chose a platter, which was given to me by my mom, so I pay nothing for this. But you can go to consignment shops and get your plate anywhere. Now, I got a seashell, which I found at the beach, and what I did was I painted it with acrylic paint. I added glitter. I glued a marble with the glue gun, and then I used nail polish glitter and polished the marble so it's glittery. I'm trying to show you better. And you need a candle. You want a good sized candle, you can go to your dollar store and get one for $1. Now mind you, you're going to have your rocks in sea glass, whatever it is you decide you're putting in your plate, and when your candle melts, it's going to go on that. You want to prevent that from happening by putting another tray underneath your candle to collect the wax. Okay? You don't even have to light your candle if you don't want to. You can just keep it as a beautiful centerpiece, or you can switch your candle when you light, one to light and one just for decoration. Okay, so for this project, I'm also using sand, which I grabbed from the beach over here. And it's blue. As you see, my hands are blue because I use food coloring. On my table here, I have food coloring, all different colors here. You can mix them up and create another color. You can get a box of 4 at your nearest food store. Any store carries this, or a dollar store. You need a stand to put your tray on. I'm using this. I spray painted it gold. I have metallics over here. You can use any color. Now, this is black. As you see, this one's gold because I spray painted it. You can use anything, a candle holder, anything you want. I also have a margarita glass here. You can put marbles in it. And if you zoom in closely, you can put anything you want in this glass. And you can use that as a stand, a candle holder, whatever you like. You want to use strong glue for this. You can't use school glue. You need a high heat glue gun, okay, because this is glass. I have multi-grip glue. It was $4.99. I bought it in this store. You can get it at any store. And it holds up tile, brick. It's very strong, so you make sure you have strong glue. Okay. First thing we're going to do is, if you have sand, get it at your nearest beach, or if you don't have sand, that's fine. But I used sand. Grab about a half a cup of sand, and what you're going to do is mix blue food coloring, or your color of choice, and you're going to add a tablespoon of water, and you're just going to keep blending it and blending it with your fingers. Just mush it together very well until you get the color you desire. I'm adding glitter. This is like white snow glitter. You can use any glitter you want. I'm adding glitter in my sand because I want my sand to sparkle. The whole point of the centerpiece is you want it to shine and sparkle, and you want it to catch everyone's eye. And that's what I want mine to do. So blend the glitter in good. Again, if you don't have sand, that's okay. You could also use rock salt. It's in a box. You can get it at any store. Sea salt you can use, and you can put food coloring. That's great too. Okay, this is a flower, a fake flower that I got from Family Dollar. As you see, with my acrylic paint, with my fingers, I painted each petal a different color, and I added glitter on it. Now, I don't know if you have an ocean nearby with sea glass. This is sea glass I grabbed from the ocean. And this is what it looks like when you paint it with acrylic paint and add glitter. You see that sparkle? You can paint it any color you want. Seashells. You can buy them at Family Dollar for $1 for a bag. Me, I got mine free because I went to the beach and I collect it all the time. I collect shells, sand, and rocks. See these beautiful seashells? I painted them with my acrylic paint and added glitter. Rocks. Do you ever go to the ocean and you see these rocks and they're white and they're crystal-y color with a tint of purple? Well, I grabbed rocks from the ocean also. I used my acrylic paint. And again, I painted them and added glitter. See how sparkly they are? Beautiful. So, basically is you're taking these that were once plain from the ocean and you turned them into a masterpiece. Okay, let's get started. What do I want to use for my centerpiece? That's a tough decision for my stand. I guess I'll go with this glass because it matches my canvas. Okay, here we go. I don't want marbles in mine. Glue. What you're going to do is tip your plate over. Unless you're going to fill your glass in with marbles, you want to add the glue around the rim and then place your plate on. But if you're not going to add marbles, then you could just glue the top of your glass. I'm sorry. Now, if you're using a high heat glue gun, please be careful because you don't want to burn yourself. Okay. Place your plate right in the middle. Let it dry. And what you can do also, when this dries, you can spray paint this any color you want, or this, or even before you add your design. I'm placing my stand now, my candle. I'm going to add my sand. Zoom it right in. My daughter helped me with this craft. It's nice if you have children. It's fun for them to paint the rocks and the shells and you spend quality time with them. It's really nice. The sand is so pretty. You can just put it anywhere. I figure the sand just makes it more beachy. Okay, now you can't really see the sand, but you will get a closer glimpse in a minute. Try to zoom in, Destiny, please, if you don't mind. You're going to add your sea glass and your rocks all around your candle. You could just zoom in that tray dust, the stand itself. I bought body paint, acrylic paints for $20 a set at AC Moore Craft Store. Sometimes you can find some really good deals there. You can get acrylic paint just about anywhere. The best part about this craft is everything you get is free, just about, because you have a plate at home. You get the rocks, the sand, the shells at the ocean. All you need is acrylic paint and glitter. And that's basically it. This flower just really complements the masterpiece. So pretty. You know, I like to add something at the bottom here. But I will do that on my time, just because I don't want to take up your time. So I'm going to give you a close-up look now. With it lit, you can also add beads around your tray. I mean your stand, I'm sorry, I'm not talking. See these beads? You can glue them around if you like. I'm going to give you a closer look. I just don't want this to tip. It's okay, Jess. They can see. Do you see all that? Isn't that so pretty? I'm not sure if you can see the sand. Yeah. And you could place it anywhere. It's nice if you put it outside, like I said, if you're having a party in your yard or in your children's room or a cookout, a gift. Again, I hope you tune in and you like my idea. And please feel free to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I have many, many crafts coming your way. Just stay tuned and please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you once again. God bless.